Investigators and forensic experts dominated testimony today in the murder trial of Mary Rice. She's accused of helping Billy Boyette during a week-long murder spree that left 4 women dead early last year. News 5's Bryant Clerkley has been following the trial all week. He's live outside the courthouse in Pensacola. Bryant?
That's right. The state rested its case today, and tomorrow we will hear from Rice's defense team.
Today, the state called its final witnesses. One of them was this man, James Haynes, who says he put out an ad about selling an assault rifle back in February of 2017. The state suggested Mary Rice was the person who purchased the gun. Haynes said it was dark outside, but the woman who purchased the weapon was in her 30s and had dark hair.
Said it was for her husband, a present, birthday present.
During the trial, the state showed a picture of a woman who was familiar with guns. This man was Rice's neighbor. He testified about having to call police in December of 2016 to report Rice for shooting a gun.
Miss Rice came to her fence and she said, "It was me. I got a new shotgun for Christmas and I was trying it out." I asked her, "Well, why were you shooting, or what were you shooting at?" She said, "I was shooting at the trees."
A Florida Department of Law Enforcement investigator also testified today about DNA evidence on the white rope and shoelaces used to tie up one of the women. She says there was too little DNA on the items to determine if it was Rice's, but they said that doesn't mean Rice did not touch them. Another FDLE investigator who testified went over text messages and Facebook messages between Rice and Boyette from before the murders. The state trying to prove the two knew each other well and that Rice was not doing this against her will.
Now the defense should call its first witness in the morning, and the case could go to the jury by the end of the day. Live in downtown Pensacola, I'm Bryant Clerkley, WKRG News 5.